Okay, so today we're going to talk about plug spinners. They're pretty handy for a couple of people, maybe once or twice in their life. Their purpose is when you are picking a lock that you're uncertain which direction you're supposed to be picking the lock. And 50-50 shot, you pick it in the wrong direction. Well, you have two options. You can either A, reset the lock, pick it again in the right direction, or spin the plug. And what these things do is they spin the plug in either direction so fast that it will spin the pins past the chambers before the springs have enough time to push the driver pins back down on top of the key pins, which would lock the lock again. And we're going to demonstrate that. So we're going to pretend that we're at a lockout situation. I just have a Kwikset clone here, and pretend this is a deadbolt and you don't know which direction you need to turn it. So you start picking away here. Okay. Oh crap, we turned it in the wrong direction. So let's use a plug spinner. Now these plug spinners come with different bits. I'm just going to select the one that fits inside the lock, which I've already selected as this one. I'm going to push it in there. Alright, so we need to rotate it to the left, so we're going to rotate this back here 180 degrees to the right. I'm going to stick it in the lock here and pull the trigger. Bam! It just turned it so fast that it spun it the other direction. I didn't have to pick it again. So we'll do this again. Picking the lock. This is also very damaging to the lock. As you can see, I've been practicing on this lock with this plug spinner, and it has torn the inside of this lock up. So you picked it in the wrong direction. I'm going to rotate this. Can't see it here. So I've picked this lock in the wrong direction, and I'm going to use a plug spinner. And you see the back of this plug spinner is keyed in a way, so I'm going to squeeze the trigger, and I'm going to rotate this 180 degrees in the same direction that I picked the lock. So that way when I release the trigger, it's going to spring back the other direction. I'm going to stick the tip of this thing inside the keyway, squeeze the trigger, done. And now the lock is unlocked and in the other direction.